Welcome back, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, we are going to explore a useful customization feature inside Via Browser on mobile. If you want more control over what appears in the address bar, first, open Via Browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-line menu icon. Then, tap on Settings to access the browser configuration options. Inside the Settings page, find and tap on General. After that, find and tap on Toolbar Settings. Now, tap on URL field content to see the available display options for the address bar. At this point, you can choose between showing the page title, the full URL, or only the domain name based on your personal preference. If you prefer a clean and simple look, selecting domain can be helpful. If you want full transparency and details, choosing URL is the best option. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.